Hello everyone, welcome to Architect 24/7. So today's video is about the kitchen countertops, the granite countertop and the marble countertop. So which one is better? To know in details, let's get into the video. 1. The granite countertops are resistant to heat and can easily withstand hot cookwares. But the marble countertops are not heat resistant as the granite countertops. 2. The granite are scratch resistant, but marble is not scratch resistant. 3. Granite is a hard and solid stone and it is non-porous, but marble is porous. 4. Granite is acid resistant and is capable of resisting all stains from food and liquid. But marble is sensitive to acid, including cleaning products and food. 5. Granite requires less maintenance, but marble requires more maintenance. 6. Granite does not fade and become dull over time, but marble fades and becomes dull. 7. Granite is durable and makes it suitable for kitchen countertops and in places where it is used by many people. But marble is not suitable in places where it is used by many people. 8. Granite is less expensive as compared to marble, and granite starts at an average of 60 rupees, whereas marble starts at a rate of 80 rupees. The actual price, however, depends on the complexity of the job. So these are the 8 comparisons between granite countertop and the marble countertop. So that's all for this video. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you find this video informative, share it with others and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.